Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Car Repair Live, thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, first generation. That will be years 2002 to 2010. If you guys have the premium sound system with the subwoofer and you're trying to locate your fuse because you have a problem with your sound system, stay with us guys and we'll show you where the subwoofer fuse is located. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Now, let's go ahead and start on it, but let me introduce you quick guys to our channels. Okay, all electrical videos will be on of this car will be on this channel, and on our two main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys, you'll find mechanical videos for that Porsche Cayenne. So now, if you guys have problems with your subwoofer, let me show you the radio now. Okay, right there with the Bose system. Now you need to go ahead and open that cover. Okay, this cover with a plastic panel removal too, so you don't scratch it. Pull it out. Okay guys, and now you have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Those are the fuse numbers on the rear, and we need to guys find fuse number. Okay, in our case will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will be fuse number 43. Okay, 43, it's a 30 amp fuse. So this one 43, it will be the 6th one from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one, right here. Okay, this is your fuse, 30 amp fuse. All the parts and tools, including the replacement fuses, are listed in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get them for a really good price. So plug that guy in. Okay, perfect. And this is it now guys. Don't forget to put your cover. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.